Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can link Discord to your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library where you're gonna find all of your installed games. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if you want to link your Discord account to your PlayStation 5, it's pretty easy. The first thing that you need to do guys is click on the PS button on your controller. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the home section. Here you're gonna find the switcher, notifications, game base, music, downloads and uploads, sound, mic, and so on. So go ahead and click on the game base. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here in this page. So once you're here, you're gonna find friends, here you're gonna find parties, messages, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find Discord. So from here, you can start or join a Discord voice chat directly from your PlayStation 5. If you want to do that, you need to link your Discord account to your PlayStation 5. So just go ahead and click on link, and then you're gonna be able to link your Discord account to your PlayStation 5. So just go ahead and read all of these informations, then go ahead and click on link. Once you do that, you're gonna be right here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here, all you need to do guys is scan this QR code and then you're gonna be able to link your Discord account to your PlayStation 5 account. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.